Let's now channel our focus to the midpoint of QR, which is this point here. I'm going to call it M. And what we are supposed to do is to find the Cartesian equation of the locus of this midpoint. When you hear the word locus, the first thing that we think of is complex numbers. So why is locus doing here? In fact, locus is not just meant for complex number. The word locus in mathematics, it means the path. And since this question, P is a variable, and that means P is going to affect the coordinates of M, so the position of M is going to change. So if I were to join all the possible positions of M together, it is going to form a path, and that is why we are going to have a locus for this midpoint M, and we are supposed to just find the equation of that path, the equation of the locus of all the possible positions of M when they are joined together. Let's first find the coordinates of M. And since it's the midpoint of these two, it is going to be the x coordinates will be 0 plus 3p squared divided by 2, and the y coordinates will be 3 over p plus 0 divided by 2. So the coordinates of M is going to be 3p squared over 2 and 3 over 2p. This is the x coordinates, which means that at M, x is equal to 3p squared over 2, and at M, y is equal to 3 over 2p. And since p is a variable, you know what we have gotten now? We have gotten a new pair of parametric equation. A pair of parametric equation in terms of p, and what we are supposed to do is just to find the Cartesian equation of this new pair of parametric equation. And that Cartesian equation will then represent the locus of M. So for this, I'm going to make p the subject. So p is equal to 3 over 2y, and I'm going to substitute this back into x here. That is how we form Cartesian equation from a pair of parametric equations, isn't it? So x is equal to 3 over 2 times p squared, which is 3 over 2y squared. So x is equal to 27 over 8y squared. Actually, this is already the Cartesian equation, or you can also rewrite it as y squared is equal to 27 over 8x. So this is going to be the Cartesian equation of the locus of the midpoint of QR.